but guys, for Umpumelelo to be that sure that Tirelo is going nowhere, he was basically saying that Tirelo is the clown that he wants her to be, that she agrees to everything that he says. So Utirelo, meaning she comes out here and she acts like she puts Umpumelelo in her place and blah 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 blah. Kanti ayikho leyonto. There's nothing like that. There's no way Umpumelelo could be so sure of himself, whereas Utirelo is not giving him the vibes. But anyway, after today's episode, or the latest episode of Izingane's Tembu aired, this is what Utirelo had to say about Umpumelelo's comment regarding her staying. Watch this, guys.
This ain't it. Le haba kare ke understanding a kakang. Le haba kare wena ku understand a kakang untwala masipa to. And at that time, it's still level 1 of masipa untwalang on a but ke thotse. Ke thotse, ke shebile, ke mametse. Mind you, I don't want to talk about the things that she
How Law so bad, you guys, because Utirel is basically saying that Umpumelelo umjwayela gabi for even saying those things. But you know what? At this point, I'm like, there's no way Umpumelelo would be saying those things out of the blue, you guys. I feel like Utirelo comes out here and says whatever she says that makes her look bad. Daughter, she doesn't beg a man, she doesn't blah 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 blah. But the moment Umpumelelo sits in front of her here, is she not Nandipha Makutuman? Does she not agree to whatever Umpumelelo did? Umpumelelo, the last meeting she had with Umpumelelo at the restaurant, how many questions did she have that was answered of hers there? None. None. So at this point, I'm just like, Utirelo is, I feel like, personally, you guys, I feel like Utirelo is full of making noise, full of making comments, even live video. Like, I'm just like, okay, ma'am, I hear you, but what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Because at this moment, I need to see the action. I've been speaking up for Utirelo and saying, you know what, Utirelo is keeping her man accountable. She asks him the right questions. But I'm just like, hi, man. Maybe when Zela Tina, or maybe because you know very well, but like some things are not adding up. But I don't think Utirelo is going to leave anytime soon, you guys. I am not seeing the signs. And I feel like in her head, she doesn't mind staying because it looks like she has that mindset that velel mina angzelang umshado, whatnot, and washawak and all of that. I'm like, but for a guy like Umpumelelo to be that sure of you, she's going to be in big trouble. Hey, like one thing about guys like Mpumelelo, like the moment they see you or a ride or die for them like that, they're going to walk all over your head. So all I'm going to say to Utlelok SCC is all the best. We wish you all the best because it's not looking cute right now. It's not looking favorable right now. And Asans. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.